So Fedina supports PayPal, InterSwitch and Authorize.net. And now it will also support Stripe, Braintree, PayU and CC Avenue. And not only these, we also have payment gateways which are custom. So if you want to integrate any custom payment gateway, that can be done. So this will offer great control and flexibility for the online payments. So let's see that. When we go to accounts.fedina.com, so this is the Fedina accounts panel where you create the school. Here you will see that this option appear of payment gateway. When we click on that, we can create our own payment gateways by clicking on new gateway. So it can be a custom gateway or one of the 7 gateways that I've just told about. So here, like I've already added PayPal, so we'll be clicking on new gateway to be able to add the gateway. And here we'll be asked to enter the name of the gateway, the configuration fields, the variable fields and the response parameters as what is provided by the gateway provider. For example, for PayPal, I have entered configuration fields, business and the value, currency code, target URL and the CMD value. Similarly, I have variable fields. So these are the configuration settings that will be provided to you by the gateway provider, and the same has to be entered here. So like this, I have entered another gateway as well, which is Authorize.net. So you can add as many gateways, and if you want the school to be able to use these gateways, you will go to that school. So here is where I create the school. I'll be going to this school, and when I click on it, I'll be having this option of gateways if Pay plugin is enabled. So when I click on gateways, I'll be able to see the gateways, and I can inherit the payment gateways that I just created. So I will click on assign gateways, and the 2 gateways that I created in payment gateways option is appearing here. So if I want the school to be able to use both the options, I can check them here. So as per the requirement, the gateways can be checked from the payment gateways. So the school now inherits these 2 payment gateways. And for the inherited payment gateway for this school, I have only selected Authorize.net. But more than one can be selected as per the payment gateways that you've entered here. Now, if I log in into this school, so when I go to administration, online payment and settings, you will see that this payment gateway appears, which is inherited by the school. So this option will be available for the schools if you enable the gateway in the school. Then you also have multi-school group option, where you can give the gateway or inherit the gateway for the school. So we will go to this gateway option, which is inside of this multi-school group. And when I click on gateways, again I can assign the gateways from the parent. So from these gateways, the gateways can be assigned not only to the schools like the way we did, but also to the multi-school group. So this means that the schools in this multi-school group will be able to transact using Authorize.net. So let's see that. I log in into this ABC multi-school group, which will have its own account panel, and inside this ABC group I have 3 schools. And I can see the payment gateways option here as well. So these are the inherited payment gateways for the 3 schools. To enable it for the school, I will go to the school and gateways and enable in the same way or assign in the same way. Since from the parent only one was assigned, so only one is appearing here. Also, when I log in into the school, and I go to administration, online payment, I'll be able to see the gateway which is appearing, which is authorize.net. And the other three gateways are appearing because these are set inside of the school. So here when we go to custom gateways, this is another option where we can set up gateways particularly for this school. So here we'll click on new gateway and we'll be entering the details the same way we have done inside of the FIDINA account panel. So doing inside of the FIDINA school would mean that this gateway is particular to this school. So we have three gateways which are particular to this school and one gateway that was inherited, which is authorize.net. That is the reason why we get an option to select any one of the gateways here. So this is how we can configure and set up the custom gateway. Now the student or the parent of the student will be able to pay. So let's see that view. So we'll be going to academics, his profile, and under more the fees option will appear. And he can see the unpaid fees, and when we click on it, we'll be getting an option to pay the fees. And we can select pay with card option. And we can enter the details. So here once we've entered the details, we'll be getting a verification code and it will be completed. So let me try once again. So I'm entering the test details. So for this student, we are trying to make the payment, which is successful, and it will get redirected back to the page from where the payment was done. And it shows this option of payment successful. And the receipt can be generated by the student for himself. So this is about payment gateway configuration, which is a new feature.